In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem, writing the equation of a line given the y-intercept and another point. This problem is going to give us a linear equation. Two of the points on the line are going to be identified, and our job is to write the equation of the line. Because this is a straight line, the equation that we're going to use is going to take the format y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept, the point at which our line crosses the y-axis, and m is the slope of the line, which is the rise over the run. So the first thing that I'm going to look for is the y-intercept, the place where the line crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is this one, and it crosses the y-axis at 3. So I know that that's my y-intercept. I'm just going to write b equals 3. That's our y-intercept. The slope of the line is given by our mnemonic trick, rise over run. And it's easiest to identify the slope if you have a couple of points, which is exactly what this problem has given us, and we figure out what the difference in distance is between these 2 points in terms of the rise, which is movement along the y-axis, and the run, which is movement along the x-axis. So for these 2 points, to get from one to the other, and it doesn't matter if you start at this point and go to this one, or if you go the other way, start at this point and go to this one, you're going to get the same slope either way. I'm going to start here. The rise, to get to this point right here, I need to move down on the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and that means that my rise is a -4. If I'm moving down on the y-axis, then my rise is a negative number because I'm not rising, I'm going in the opposite direction, it's a negative number. My run, as I said, is the movement along the x-axis. So when I went down 4 units, I ended up right here. And now I need to move along the x-axis to get over to that particular point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is a positive run. If you're moving from the left side to the right side, same as if you're reading from left to right, then the value of the run is a positive number. So if we had done this slope determination in starting at this point and going in this direction, our rise would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be a positive 4. And our run would be negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we're moving from the right side to the left side. So you can see no matter which way you go when you're determining the slope, you're going to get the same number either way, which is just -4, 6. Now we do need to simplify this particular slope. We've got to find the greatest common factor between 4 and 6, which is 2. We can simplify this to -2/3, and we're doing that just by dividing both the top and the bottom by 2. So that is our value for the slope, which in this equation up here, that's represented by the variable m. So the equation of this line is y equals -2/3, that's our slope, x plus 3, which is our y-intercept.